Hi, I'm Callie with Marco's Zebra Sarasa Retractable Gel Pen. With its soft rubber grip and its colorful ink, this is sure to be your economical pen of choice. Each pen has a gray barrel accented by your choice of 5 different trim colors, and that trim color matches the ink color. Your logo is silk screened on the 5/8 by 1 1/2 inch imprint area opposite the clip. Choose a great pen that will show off your logo every day. It's item number WI1046 on MarcoPromotionalProducts.com or call 877-592-4980. Remember, promote smart, it's easy with Marco.